Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can verify your account, including your email address on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. Start by launching the Metal TV app with your account details. For example, you may log in with your Google account if you like, or with your email address. And then navigate to your account settings in the bottom left. And here guys, navigate to My Account. And here, just below your email address, right, you will see a Send a Verification button. You don't see it right now because I've already done it, but you will see a button here telling you to send a verification code to the associated email address. If you haven't received that yet, you may click into resend here. So navigate to the associated email address, to the inbox, and then look for the email, and you will see an email, for example, like this here. So to conclude the verification process, click into that button below. Wait for the verification to be processed, and as you can see, my email address has been successfully verified. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.